Hi guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. My name is Asugha Kingsley. In this particular video, I'm going to show you how to upload MP3 music to your virtual reality headset and be able to use it in your VR DJ application. So stay tuned and watch this video to the end to know exactly how you can upload songs to your VR headset. Now, first of all, power on your Oculus Quest and allow your Oculus Quest to boot. Once your Oculus Quest boots, connect your Type-C cable to your Oculus Quest. But before you do that, make sure that your Tribe software is already installed in your Oculus Quest. Because once your Tribe software is installed, there will be music folder in your Oculus Quest. Now, once you connect your Type-C cable to your system and connect the other end to your Oculus Quest, look into your Oculus Quest. You will see allow access to data. The connected device will be able to access files on this headset. Deny, don't show again, allow. Use your joystick and click on allow. Once you click on allow, on your system or on your laptop or your computer, you will see internal shared storage. Double click on it. Once you double click on it, go to music. Once you go to music, here you can copy all the music file and paste it here from your system. You can go to your download or wherever your music is and copy all the music file you want to put in your Oculus Quest and paste it inside this folder. You can as well create playlist folders. Create a new folder here. Go to new folder. Once you click on new folder, I have playlist 1, playlist 2, siren 1, siren 2. Now you can create another playlist 3. And now you can put the music in your playlist. You can just paste it here. Anyhow you want to arrange it, you can do all that here. Once you finish doing all this, now go to your Tribe software in your Oculus Quest. All the songs and all the MP3 music that you've already copied to this folder will now show in your Tribe software, which is the DJ software. So from there, you can access all the music that you pasted or you've copied into this folder. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If this is your very first time of being to my YouTube channel, please consider hitting the subscription button and also the bell button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you have any kind of question, please drop in the comment section below this video. I will see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative and remain blessed.